is time for the women's 100 metres, the final track event of the evening. And there's one good reason why they've left it to last, because in lane 5 is one of the great Polish heroines, Ewa Swoboda, former European indoor champion. Posters everywhere, massive posters of her everywhere across the city of Katowice. She's right in the middle of the 9 athletes as well. They set it up for her. JENNA Prandini, well, she's a great 200-meter runner, has a best of 10.9, the American. Hasn't had a vintage season by her standards. 7th in the London Diamond League before the games, hasn't raced since then. Natasha Morrison of Jamaica, 11-1 this year, but she's a 10.85 athlete. Bas Bitai of Gambia, she goes in lane 3, semi-finalist in the Olympic Games at 200 meters. Then Tamari Davis, 2nd in Lausanne and 2nd in Monaco just before the game. She's a very consistent racer as the 21-year-old American. Best of 10.8. Yeah, and there is Swoboda. How they love her. Silver medalist at the World Indoors in Glasgow back in March, behind Julian Alfred. And that wasn't a bad person to lose to, seeing as Alfred went on to become Olympic champion. Marie-Josée TALOU Smith of the Côte d'Ivoire, I'm sure she races more than anybody on the whole circuit. A prolific racer, 4th in Lausanne, 11.07. Still in good form, the 35-year-old. Daryl Nater of Great Britain, 4th in the Olympic 100, 5th in the 200. So frustrated with those, although she got a silver from the sprint relay. Tia Clayton, 7th in the Olympic Games, the Jamaican silver medalist, only a youngster, just 20 years old. And Patricia van der Weken of Luxembourg completes the lineup. She's a late addition, I think, because when I travelled here a couple of days ago, I was chatting to a certain Dina Asher-Smith at the airport as we were waiting for our bags. Dina announced yesterday she was pulling out of this meeting. I'm not sure if she's felt a niggle or if she's just not feeling 100%, but Dina flew here to Poland, but is not competing tonight. So the meeting record, well, it's a rather impressive one. I'm not sure we'll see an extra one added in this race. 10.66 by Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price of Jamaica a couple of years ago. But 3 Olympic finalists go here. And all eyes on Swoboda in lane 5. There she is, real powerhouse. She's a tremendously quick starter. Look for her to probably lead at halfway and then maybe to get run down. Can she stay ahead, though, to send everyone home on a high? With Mondo, of course, 2 more attempts at that world record in the vault to come. Well, a really good start from Tamari Davis, there, 4th from right. Swoboda's got some running to do here yet. I don't think she's going to win this one. Really good running on the near side, too, from Tia Clayton. Tia Clayton takes it there on the near side, I think. Probably the shortest athlete in the race and the youngest at 20. The Jamaican in lane 8, I think, just nicked that. 10.81. Well, it is super fast. That's the 5th fastest time in the world this year. And for Clayton, it is indeed a new lifetime best by a pretty big chunk. 10.83 she's given, in fact, but it is nonetheless a lifetime best. Swoboda didn't get her usual bullet start from lane 5. Wasn't able to get the blood up for the crowd through the first half at least. But Clayton, well, she's similarly small in stature, but boy, did she hold her form well through the second half and just hung on there because it was really tight.
Guys, welcome back, and kindly for watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. And thank you for my returning subscribers and viewers who are coming back to watch my video. It's not easy to find somebody spending time watching your video. Thank you, and may God bless you. And for those who are watching this for the first time, kindly make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, hope you have watched a very powerful race from Jamaica. Jamaica has a lot of sprinters, a lot of talents, and you can see that Tia Clayton was competing with a very giant athlete, and you saw how she really broken that giants. And she's only 20 years old, and she has her twin sister called Tina Clinton. So Tina Clinton was injured, that's why she has not participated on that race. She defeated a lot of giant people like Fraser, who is his teammate in Jamaica, and also defeated the team Ivory Coast and also the team USA. Because Jamaica was number one, number two was United States and Canada. So Jamaica normally raise the flag of their country. They have a lot of talents. They have Sherika Jackson, they have Fraser, they have Tia Clinton. Those are some of the people who is normally raise the flag of Jamaica. You cannot rule out the Jamaica from the short races. Jamaica has been consistently performing very on those short races. When you mention 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters, the first thing that run in your mind is about Jamaica because of the talents that Jamaica has. You even Team USA, they normally fear only Jamaica. So Tina Clinton was injured, and he's the twin sister for those who don't know, because those two girls normally normally did a lot of work, and that's why they have really broken that record, beating the world giant at 21 years, competing with their 30 years old. It's not easy, and congratulations for those who participated those race. It's not easy, and for the fans who cheered the Tia Clinton, also congratulations for them. It's not easy somebody to come and watch the race. And for my subscribers, thank you so much, and may God bless you. And kindly, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye for now.